Hello everyone, once again, welcome back to our channel, Eliza's Cuisine. So today we'll be making some yummy and healthy basic pancakes, so let's get into it. The ingredients are 2 ripe bananas and a teaspoon of cinnamon powder, 1/4 teaspoon of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 egg, few tablespoons of oil and milk, chopped chocolates and oats. First of all, you mash the bananas. So make sure that you choose the ripe bananas, like the brown ones, and then you mash them all well. After mashing the bananas, you add an egg into it. And 2 tablespoons of oil. And combine everything well. And now our liquid batter is ready. Now we are moving on to the dry mixture. In a bowl, add 1 cup of oats flour, which you can make by grinding the oats. And add the cinnamon, salt and baking soda into it. And mix everything well. After it's all done, you are now going to add the mashed banana mixture into this dry mixture. And you mix again. The batter should be a little more liquidified. So I'm gonna add a tablespoon of milk into it. And yeah, mix everything again. Yeah, our pancake batter is ready now. It's all done. So let's get into cooking. In a pan, heat a tablespoon of butter. And add a scoop of the pancake batter onto the pan. You can actually make 2 or 3 if you have a big pan. And yeah, so in here I'm gonna make 2 of them together. And now you cook it for about 2 minutes on each side. Now I'm flipping it. And cook on the other side as well. Now our pancake is ready now, and we're gonna top it with some bananas. And you can also use blueberries or some other fruits and all. And we are adding the chocolate chips, not really the chocolate chips, the chopped chocolate, and some honey, few drizzles of honey. You can also add peanut butter into it if you want to. And yeah, that's it. Thank you. Bye bye.